What teaching style works best for online courses? Here's what the research and the data say. 4 teaching styles work for online courses. Visual, diagrams, demonstrations, screen recordings. Discussion-based, community prompts, peer feedback, live Q&A. Hands-on, exercises, projects, worksheets. And lecture-based, video lessons, webinars, audio. The most effective courses blend all 4 rather than picking one. The popular advice to match instruction to a student's learning style, visual learner versus auditory learner, has been contradicted by multiple educational psychology meta-analyses. The framework is debunked. What works instead is multimodal teaching, because variety reinforces understanding from different angles. The practical lever isn't style matching. Our platform data across 32,000 courses shows the biggest factor in completion is whether students are actively doing something. Courses with active community discussion average 65.5% completion versus 42.6% without. For how to match style to topic, the truth about VARK, and how to adapt in-person teaching for online. Links in the description.